Rahul Gandhi ubadai leader jongka opposition hapok ying dor bar thau ain kalok sabha banta ka sngi ha kapor baw ay ka press briefing o ang ba banta ka dai ka sien ka balai ka baw wan jongo ya ka Jylla Manipur nado ba ka jing sedang ya ka huri hura ka jia hapok ka Jylla Rahul o ang ba yamantangi don kam ya ka jinga suk namar ba ka jinga pani bor ka kta alut ya baro baro long shu shu ba nakaliang ka jong u umpat juyo i ya kum ka ne ka jai jingjia ka baw wan jia ha ka Jylla lane ha pok ka ri India baro kwe Rahul o ang ba ngawan hang ni kumupara Badu bakwa ban yarab ya kajing ka bapi ya kendu bad ban wan rab yang ya kajing suk sai Sien ha ka Jylla Manipur Rahul Gandhi ula ong ru ba Lada Phi kwa yang aban poi ha ka ni ka Jylla san Sien Phew Sien ru nga Kloi ban wan hang ni bad ngalapan kre lupa ban sngap ya kajing ka jong phi.
It's the third time I've come here since the problem started, and it has been a tremendous tragedy. Frankly, I was expecting some improvement in the situation, but I was quite disappointed to see that the situation is still nowhere near what it should be. Here, the need of the hour is peace. Violence is hurting everybody, and I have never seen anywhere in India what is going on here. The state is completely split in two, and it is a tragedy for everybody involved. I want to tell all the people of Manipur, I come here as your brother. I come here as somebody who wants to help you, who wants to work with you to bring back peace in Manipur. And I am ready to do whatever I can. Congress party is ready to do whatever it can to bring back peace here. Anytime you want me to come here, you want me to come here 5 times, 10 times, any amount of times you want me to come here, I'm happy to come here, and I'm happy to listen to what you have to say and try and help you as leader of the opposition. Manipur is a proud state of the Indian Union. Even if there was no tragedy, the Prime Minister should have come to Manipur. And in this huge tragedy, I request the Prime Minister to take 1 day, 2 days of his time and just come and listen to the people of Manipur. It will comfort the people of Manipur, and we are, as the Congress party, ready to support anything that would improve the situation here.